take enjoyment from. The other phrase here, ban trilos. Ban trilos. This means have a go or have a try. Literally, take a try from it. Ban trilos. Let's have a look at the past, present and future tenses of this useful verb now. So, vin me is I took. Vin me, that's the past tense. Benham is I take, present tense.
We have 2 deluxe booster packs.
Pack Daddy versus Fight.
Alright folks, it's time for a showdown from the newest Japanese sets, Black Bolt and White Flare. This set feels like it was made just for us. Today, I'm Team Black Bolt and Pac-Man's roll with White Flare. Let's see which art dress we get. Alright, I pulled Drill Ball and Pac-Man gets Wiresian. These are cute.
Yes, sir!
Oh nice, a Master Ball card for both of us. Not guaranteed in every pack, so we'll take that. Now let's see, is there one last surprise hiding in the pack?
This is ridiculous! What is going on in here?